everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for this video because after a very long time I'm doing this vlog kind of a thing. I really love doing it, but yes, because I was packed with so many challenges coming on YouTube, on Instagram, I didn't get that much amount of time. But yes, today I'm going to show you a day in my life kind of a video wherein give you a little bit insights of what I do currently, because I'm super packed, so I'm just going to show it. Yes, now let's quickly get started. Today I am starting late. It's like completely random. I haven't planned anything, so we are starting late. I'm just done with my shower, and my stylist Didi, she will be coming up, and I'll get ready for my fun bun shoot and the more YouTube shoots today. So yes, a very hectic day today, but we'll do it. So yes, let's get started. I will get ready. I'll prep my skin a little bit and get ready for the shoot today. So yes, what I do is I just don't just apply some moisturizer all over my skin. I'm done with the shower. Will make sure that I apply this serum and little bit of it, just prepping myself for the skin. I don't do any kind of much makeup, but yes, moisturizing my skin is my real part of my routine. So yes, then I'll apply this. I'll just apply a little bit of tint on my lips. So the most important part of my get ready routine has to be my fragrance, because I work out a lot, you sweat, and then you don't feel good. So it's very important for me to have a perfect fragrance. And lately I've been using this from Super Smelly Oud perfume deodorant. This is toxin free from all harmful chemicals, zero toxins, parabens, and all of those things that actually harm your skin. Problematic thing with deodorants are that they actually harm your skin. They can be rashes, there can be skin problems, and many things, and also the fragrance matters a lot. So this is a perfect Oud deodorant. You know what is Oud? Oud is basically the perfect premium quality of deodorant, and I definitely recommend this because it has no toxins, no harmful chemicals, and you should definitely give this a try. So yes, whenever I go for shoot, I just apply it up in my underarms, and also the most important things, it avoid darkening your underarms, and I apply it. Also very much useful for kids and teenagers because it is having no harmful chemicals and it's free from all the toxins. So I just apply it like this, and I believe that it's one of the most amazing deodorants I have, so you can definitely give this a try. The link would be there in my description. So yes, I smell amazing. I just feel really nice when I smell amazing. So yes, definitely give this a try. And yes, let's go. As you can check, I use a lot of it. Hello. So finally I'm in my academy right now. We are ready for shoot. Hello. So yes, we are back after a very long I think weekend. We had a fun Holi celebration. We all were not well, so basically we बहुत दिनों बाद we are back. Hi तो बोलो. Hello. So you all must be well acquainted with my team if you follow me on Instagram. But yes, I'll show you my setup and all the behind the scene masti. So yes, we are shooting for fun burn. Hello. So we are on for a photo shoot. So basically GGT Fit pages, the graphics and everything, we have a lot of photo shoot to do. Also lots of challenges that goes on for the academy. So yes, we are doing this. This is my team, all well, you know, ready for the shoot. You can see the glimpse of it. I'll put here some of them. But yes, this is how my day goes.
We can get the love going on tonight. Now we can get the love going on tonight. We can get the love going on tonight.
So basically we are shooting for a new video, a new amazing diet plan coming for all of you out there. And yes, see this, we have all preparation going on. And here is Shubham. Hello. So the man behind the camera, and it's super fun. So yes, you'll see this video very soon. And we are having a super packed day today. And today we did a YouTube video shoot, also some Instagram and fun burn. Hi! Hello! So this is all my people working really hard to make YouTube videos out there regularly. Hello! Hi Rupika ji, say hi. Hi! So yes, we are working really very hard, and right now I'll show you what's going on inside. Chalo. And here we have some. Hello, hi. So she's working really very hard on making sure that all of you get the best possible technical support on GGT Fit, right? So she's the one who makes sure of that. So yes, we are like lots of work today, but ऐसा ही रहता है. Usually my work days are always like this. We are always packed, and yeah, this is pretty much. And this is, I am in my academy. I'll give you an academy tour. I am planning that, but I don't know when I'll be able to do it. Yeah.
You need to believe in all that is true. The sooner the better. You need to believe in all that is right. The sooner the better. So we can get the love going on tonight. The sooner the better. So we can get the love going on tonight. The sooner the better.
So yes, this is pretty much my day. Like most of the days are packed like this. Either I go to shoot, or I'm busy in edit. I have my video calls or my consultation calls, working on my book, like that. And like all of the days are packed. I cannot show each and every bit of my life, but yes, I try to show you some of it, and I hope you got that glimpse. I did not show what I eat because that would be a separate video on what I eat in a day, and I think I've made it like lots of time. But yes, I'll definitely, it keeps changing, so I'll come up with a new one. And yes, this was pretty much my day. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a behind the scene kind of a video more, I feel, but yes, this is how it goes mostly. And thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you hit the subscribe button, like button, share this video, and I'll be up with a new video very soon. Bye bye, stay fit, stay happy.